unbox my Sonny Angel with me. I really want the mouse or the duck or the lesser panda or the sheep. That'd be really cute. So are my options. Oh, get a good pop, hopefully. Girl. I feel like it's gonna be the cat because I felt its like ears and stuff. What's the reindeer?
I like that one.
I don't know. I mean, I wasn't hoping for it, but I'm still really happy. So the place that I go to for my Sonny Angels, there's like, you can go in there and trade if you're not the biggest fan. And I traded for a little melon and I love it. And I'm very happy and grateful. Thanks for watching, guys.